Hello, hello, my people, my gorgeous, wonderful, fantastic people. It's weekend again. Happy weekend. Happy lockdown. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? I hope you are keeping it real, like safe, and you know, please let's continue to make this lockdown, this pandemic, be easier for everyone. Okay, stay safe, sanitize, wash your hand clean, and protect yourself, and by so doing you protect others. Okay, please, we are it remains small, we don't almost through, I know say no dey easy, not dey easy for everybody, for anybody, but we don't try, we don't the big one don't come out, so na small remains, because I dey watch news yesterday. So they say very soon, this month, early this month, early May, everything will dey come back to normal, little by little. Will just be once, but little by little, because we still need to protect ourselves. They won't start to dey open some things. Even this Sunday when they come, so they say for my country when I dey Spain. So the children when they here from 1 year, they will feel they come out, they will feel they go out, see go take fresh air. The children, they don't try. A big kiss to all the kids, all my babies, all my lovely. You go, you guys are too much. You not try pass. Because even we will be adults, see they come out, see go buy things, come back. But the kids, the children, they really try. But I really love them. I was seeing some of them in the telly yesterday. They are very excited. They very happy. Say finally, even if na 1 hour, because here na 1 hour, they say if you dey Spain, you watch news, you will hear them. So no be they are very happy, very excited. Even if na 1 hour, they give, they say may they take come and take fresh air, see stroll, during that 1 hour, you make sure say adults will deal with them, they will stroll. Even if they know if they play with their mates, because even the parking where children for they play. So they say for now everything still locked. Because if they open now, children go they play. The children they don't know, some of them don't know what thing they happen. So they will begin play, begin hold their friend. But for that one, they possible for now. Just go out with your baby, with your kids, and let them take the fresh air, and they will come back inside like that. From this Sunday now, when this next tomorrow, so they happy, they are so excited because they don't try. Children will be say that they come out before go school, this and that. They just lock them in the house. Easy anyway. The children, the kids all over the world. You guys, I love you guys. You guys are wonderful. The young shall grow, our president in making, governors, senators here, so God bless you and God protect you guys. So please, so now the new development we did now. So from now things go begin to open small, but so many things will change. Even for office, bar, there's some things now will still dey pending. They won't try do some things. Will be like before. And so some of us maybe say we get plans. Some of them maybe say they even traveling now. If you don't get better reason when you say you won't travel, you won't go do, they don't agree with you travel. Watch news, please. They watch news, they get updated to all these things, So that's the new development. Very soon everything will be coming gradually, because even the vacuna, the thing when we say they won't take care of them, they say it never they ready. The medical, the doctors, just that they are just trying to make sure that they cure people. The real vacuna, the real cure, it never they ready. No. So even I even year say until next year itself, the thing now they will see solution. So the medical, the doctors, they try. They are trying all means to make sure that they find solution to this pandemic, to this coronavirus, so that everything will come back to normal. I thank you guys. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for staying safe. And God, for those that have lost their life in this pandemic, in this coronavirus, I pray, may their soul rest in peace. So for those of us who are alive, we will make sure say we contribute, so that the thing will spread by this one, so that we all will at the end will give God the thanks, God the glory, you know. So this morning I was so happy. Even when I went to supermarket to buy something, there was like, "Hi, you're so happy." I said, I'm thanking God though. I they happy. Why not they happy? Those when they die, what they will do? So the guy was like, in Spanish, he was like, if everybody did like this, you know, I don't need to cry. I don't need to come the door, come the. I was playing my music. I was so happy. Music in life. Try in any way, by all means, to stay positive. Stay positive, okay? Stay positive, and let's pray. Let's join hearts together and make we pray. Make this whole thing go as soon as possible, so that we feel all the plans we will get before for this 2020. By the grace of God, we will still achieve. Okay, thank you, and God bless you. Stay safe and protect yourself, protect your family, and by so doing, you protect others. God bless you. So today I have a lot, or maybe on Sunday I'll bring in the rest. Okay, I want to see the opportunity to thank all my subscribers, all my lovers, my fans. God bless you. God bless you guys. For those that have subscribed so far, I love you. God will bless you. When you have something to do, you need help, God will raise people from nowhere to support you. Okay, let's support others. Let's support each other. Okay, more they support each other, you know. So everything will go well. And if you're here, you've not subscribed, please don't fail to subscribe and press the notification bell, so that anytime I'm here, you will see and get notified. God bless you. God bless you. God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. Love you. My love to you all. You guys are wonderful. Also, I was talking about career. Yeah, I do talk about how we should improve on ourselves. How we say improve on ourselves, on our education, in so many areas of our life. When we say tomorrow we'll do better for ourselves and give our best to the society, you know. So if you're here, if you're watching me, if you know, because I do talk about how we should go to school here. Once this corona went there, so now still they stop many of us, but no problem. Stay positive, you know. We will see the end of this whole thing. This corona now will see the end of us. Amen. So by we staying at home, so let's start thinking of positive things. Make we think about positive things, positive only, you know. Make una know the door, make una know the thing. Negative is not allowed. Stay positive, and the Lord will give you the strength. You know, we enable you. We all your heart desire, God will make her. It will make you achieve everything. Okay. So when this corona finish, as soon as this corona finish, for me, I'm trying to improve on myself also. So that's why I'm bringing it to my people, so that we all will do it together. Okay, because for so many of us, before this corona come, we know they do those things. We know they think. We know they try. Want to improve. Want to go school. Any country where you can do it. Any state where you can do it. It's just for you to start from somewhere. Okay, even if you don't want to work, you have a career. Everybody get career. Everybody get what think God will give her. You know, everybody, it no me say na one particular thing or the thing where others they do. And if you be say na other thing entirely, na different thing. So nobody is empty. Nobody will God create when they empty. Everybody, you got something in you. Just use this opportunity now when we take the lockdown. think about yourself. Think about that thing when you say you like. Think about that thing when you say you get passion for. You know, you get passion for. If not to find work, if not to improve on your education, if not to so many things, if not to improve on your career, that thing when you say you feel they do, when you say you like, the most thing when you say when you say God, even God, they put hand join. Now that thing, if you get one thing we say you like to do, and that thing anytime when you they do and you they get joy, pursue it, go for it. So many of us, we don't waste the time when we don't waste so much time on irrelevant things. You know, we don't waste our time too much for irrelevant things. Try, think about that thing. Is in you. Think it can be a musical career, it can be model, so many things. It can be artists, all those people when they draw, you know. That's why I like Oyibo. Anything we be say they also say they are picking or anything they do, they will just encourage them. Encourage yourself and make sure you be around people that will encourage you, that will bring that best in you, that will make you do, like, they will support you, they will like, this is what you're good at, go for it. I'm telling you today, if anything that you think you are good at, go for it. Anything at all, I don't care. People, they will be say all this music, all this mission, when they see all this art, different things, this world, when they be say today they celebrate them. You know, if not lawyer, if anything, and most important thing, all these things will be said the talk. So even if na career, and you still need to go school, because it is very necessary. Very necessary. You still need to go school, improve on your education. Anywhere you there, you feel one. If you go school for that country when you there, you feel one. If you go school, learn the language, you know, so that they no go shit you. This school of a thing, even all those musicians, why you feel all those musicians will be say they get money, they don't take off their career, don't take off, they'll still go school. Because there are some areas that you still need it. That you still need it. If not to if you come to where we say they won't interview you, you will feel express yourself fluently. You will express yourself. You will know how to read anything when they bring for you. You will feel read down. You don't need anybody to come read down for you. That's why school is very important too. Any career when you want to take, you need to go school. You still need that school. Small, even if not small, just to learn how to read and write, learn how to express yourself. Anything when they say they give you, say me, you know, all these celebrity art model, all of them when they see, they interview them. You know, they interview them. Why they feel they reply or they read anything when they give them? Because they go school small, even if not be well. You don't need to have bachelors, but they go, you know, they go. So you need it, my people. You need it. If not to work, you'll still be waiting you like to do. Look for work. Make you not dey reluctant, make you not dey lazy. This coronavirus when it comes, so it don't make me think about so many things. Even before now, if I did what they think, and this corona can make me think about a lot of things. The area that I want to improve on my life, you know. So many girls, so many women, they don't. It's not too late anyway. If you feel say somewhere they will be say that thing, they will be say not because of picking, I beg. Because picking no be excuse. If you born, you feel take off your career. You feel take them up again. You feel wake up, you know. So not because of picking. So many of you say we don't born, nothing. You just feel say na just life is not all about born. Not be it not just end there. It not just end there at all. It not end there. If you say take off that career, that thing when we say you get passion for, that thing when we say you like, it's not too late to start. It's not too late to start at all. It's not too late. please, let's do this together. We will try put more effort, more effort, more effort. You know, determination really matters a lot. Be determined in life. Go for that thing that you want. And if you be man, you be woman, you don't need to deal with, you don't need to deal around anybody who be say it will bring you down. It will bring you, they kill your morale, they kill that thing. Will be say if you won't even go for and they discourage you. You don't need discouragement at this point of your life. You don't need it. You need somebody that will push you, that will tell you that thing you can go for it. Be you man or woman. Be supportive to your spouse, to your wife, your husband, girlfriend, boyfriend. Be supportive. You know, so many of our boys, they will be saying for this Europe, especially for this Europe, even for Nigeria, laziness. They get talent. They get something to be saying if we really make them be something for life. Well, because of no encouragement, the person when they deal with, you know, feel encouraging. The dream go just they die. It go just they die. It's not called for. I don't like it at all. Look, I see someone for our boss maybe say, some supposed to be model, musician. They get voice. Even for this Europe, tall, you dey okay, you get, you know, that thing when you be say, look all these stars, they look all those inspiring things, so that you will wake your spirit. You will wake your spirit. Not be all anything when you say you will make your spirit they go down. No. And you will see the sky will be your limit. Once you take that thing, that thing will be say you get passion for, you get dream for. Start for somewhere. Start now. You will see say before you know, because now that thing will be say God give you, God place in you to do. Once you start them, before you know, God will put hand. The thing will it will all blow. Start for somewhere. And if you start, you will see person will be, even if you don't get the money, you will see person will be say, you will see that thing, you will not say, with this guy get vision, he gets talent, he will sponsor you. You don't need to even get the money, just start. People don't be say they look for talented people, talented young boys and girls. They know if you can't find you for your house. No, you have to bring it out. Bring it out. Now bring it out to the world. Now they'll see you. You be more than you tall. You get the height. You the face. Even if you don't even need to find. Train yourself. Build yourself to that thing. God already bless you. You just need to do small work on yourself. You know, you will see say people when be say they look for that thing, they billionaires. Now those things that they invest on. When they see some boys when be say they will just dey okay, the next thing they'll go the toilet baba for people when be say they don't make them. You can still do it. You they forbid if people they toilet for you. You they forbid. Sean Baba, this, that, Clear Road, you know, all those, how yours they look there. But you know, say something there, you when we say you will see doing, people will see they'll see they look up to you. You know, they'll see you'll see they inspire people. It day, I remember the year 2010 when we say I just come here. I thought 1.70, almost 74. The height when we say now for model. Now model. I did street there. One Oyibo see me. He said, waiting I dey go do for you. He said I'm supposed to be model. He said I'm supposed to be model. I'm supposed to do model. Model na different way it be. You feel they pose for all those clothes, all those people, you know how much they pay them. Model get different categories. So I was like, I like them, but Nobody to, he say he will take me go somewhere. There was this woman that I was staying with, Sister Joy Ebo, Sister Ebo. When I stay with that time, I slim, no be now I come put on weight so. And all those small, I wish I take off that career then. You will maintain your stature. I for them maintain my stature. They go carry me go where I will take the photo shoot. They will take me picture, all those posing, studio. It take me go there. But the problem was, I get boss. So the man see me, say I get the face, the height, you need to work on so many areas, but the problem when I get, say, my breast, my tummy flat, then I, straight. Say the problem when I get, say, my breast, it's too big. Because then as I slim, yeah, I'm telling you a true life story now. Then I slim, my breast come out well. And all those small there, some clothes when you need to wear, you don't need, not be for big boss. He said, I'm my boss. So even then I was like, God, I was even like, I wish I feel awkward this breast come out, make you just remain small. But because if you say maybe no, that will not be my calling. That's why it was not possible. Because I wish that my calling would have been possible. To take Photoshop, to distribute them. I see so many black girls. You can't show me black girls. So me say, they not reach my height. He tell me, because they write the height when they put. They do model. They model for different companies. They don't reach my height. He say I get the height. And so many of our girls get the height. They okay. They not to get boss like me. They all waste time. They look for just all our thinking. So many of our thinking are just to boom, finish, just there. They wait for depend on one man to come give you money to eat, give you money for if not give you all to go they beg from one place to another. For Europe here to go they look for one country to another where head they. No, something the day when we say you fit make difference when you go for bring better money come for you. But so many of us we don't know. So that's why they use me. Even if you know you did like that, I beg, try. Look for better people when we say they will see the worth in you. They will see what you fit do. Not be people when we say you all say they will say you know go fit a beg sit down there. Who will take? No, you don't need them. You don't need them. You don't need all those discourage all those people when they bring when they kill your spirits. And so many of our boys still like that when we say they're supposed to be more there for different companies, different things. They waste their life. Some not to they go from one guest out to another. So they give belay to different women. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. And if you're hearing me now, you get that vision, you get that dream, you get that thing, please pick it up. And so many women that they keep person dream. You don't need to deal with that kind of woman. Well, they wonder why all these celebrities, why all these people that they go for people when they say it's either their class. Now because that person they say and say you understand the kind of work when they work. You understand the kind of profession we say they get. They are professional workers. If now more they be, you go try go for the person we say that kind of lifestyle. Or if the person not even did that kind of lifestyle, but the woman will understand. He will understand, say, my husband, see what thing they do. Because so many women that if they do this, you need to, both women or both even if you woman be man, you need to stay away from person when we say you get jealousy spirit. In jealousy, nobody will not get jealousy spirit anyway. We will not get jealous, but they high pass each other. person wey dey understanding. All these stars, all these people wey be say they look, both women, men, they love them, especially women. If you can't date with woman, wey be say you no go even make you move an inch, how you want to progress? Now those people make you the person you be. You know if you will take picture with girl. All those people, girls, they love them. Just look around. Girls, they love them. Especially girls. The woman when they with for us, majority, they understanding. They know the kind of work when we say the man they work. Say they now waiting they bring them. Not be the man they call them, but they just like you. But if you deal with woman when they jealous, it will kill your career. Same goes with women. You deal with man, you know will even let you move. If they go for business trip, business trip, they control you. They want to let who you deal with, who they call you, or you will get important call. You will go call the person. Why they call? No, I don't need like all those things. I don't know. I don't need that kind of person for my life at all. If you want pick up your career, you want pick up anything you want, musician, all this people, anything when you want to do, you don't need those kind of women. You don't need those kind of men. Cause many they are destiny killer. They be dream killer. On a free, they don't get anything. They don't get what they won't give you. They have nothing to offer. The women, they don't get anything when they won't offer you. But they will just kill your dream. They will use their jealousy, bad spirits, pursue better people when we say they're supposed to help you in life, spring you up, make you be a better person. There's one film that I watch. That's why they watch American films. Films when we say they make you they think well. Even music, and they like better music. The man get career, he get dream. The woman go pick him call. You no say na person. If now woman fine, na person when you want help her. Cause this like they say, God no they come down to come help you. Now person go say come help you. The woman see say na better. He see wetin they find for that man body. The woman just pick the call, begin the curse her. That business, that multi-million business, that deal, he use a jealousy spirit to pursue her. That's why you don't need those people those people around you. It might not be just girlfriend or boyfriend. If you be saying a nasty friend today, you don't need them. You don't need them. You don't need them. That's why they talk. So all those people, you see, they get money, they get dream, they select people, they form. They know they form. They know they form. If you get head, you will not say they know they form. They will say, now we gotta grow. See as they do, they form now. No, because you don't see and say, you not get head, you not get where they go, you not get dream. They make up with people when we say those one will improve on their life. Why you feel say rich men they go after rich men? Because the connection they something they will be say they draw them together. Because if they can't go with you, your negativity feel draw them down. So they don't need it. I don't blame them. No. If you think, you sit down and think and where you will not say not be for me, not be by big or because they don't. No, not be. Because they don't need your negative vibes. Your negative vibe, they don't need it. Maybe some don't try to improve in some, but based on say that thing don't they in there. Don't you look it, don't you drop you because they don't fit. Because he know where they go, he know he dream, he know waiting they pursue. And you know they that line. He will drop you. One touch, he will drop you. So goes with women, with the girls. We'll see saying that when they talk, they go somewhere. Sorry. When they talk business. They find people when they say, oh, they talk business, or they negotiate business. Then you when they talk about things when they say irrelevant thing. Now that they will stop call you. And that day will stop to call you. Because no be where they go, you they go. So you and not the same lane. Una not get the same line. I pity for those of you when they face all these rich people say that they because una mentality still low. Una know they think. Una know sit down and think why. Me, I know why. How you can't respect a person will be say he brain don't carry reach some level. You can't they follow some kind boys who be say now all they are thinking, oh boy, mo go that bar, mo go drink. Babes, all those things. You know, let's talk like that. The men will be say, I not even talk now. You can't expect say me can't follow you, they do all those things. If you don't come, you can't they're not mind I to the phone because they don't get money. No! Not because they don't get money. Not be all those your thoughts, all those your thinking, not be the think again. In mindset, the level when it thinkness, the waiting they think, it pass your own. So you know if he made with you, you know if he can't there, you know if he bring himself low to your level. No, I can't. If you want date there, you feel date there. If you know they think like when they think, they talk about business, they talk about things when you go make and grow. Some people don't leave so many people. Yeah. We've seen they don't leave them. We'll see some, they'll say, now my classmate or now my childhood friend or now this. He don't leave you. Why? Because he think next high pass your own. Waiting they think your own too low. That's why I leave you. It's not that they really like it. I wish you they think we went they think. When I for grow together. Friends don't see them be say that they think they'll grow together. You know, they'll grow together in business, in ideas, better ideas. Not be how you they think. When they talk about business, you they talk about how you want to go block that guy, you won't go fucking. Who fucking help? Making of love, who you help? When be say once you don't make and you don't do okay for life, all those things will be minor thing. It will be minor thing. You don't even need to stress and now women will they, you know, they will rush you. Yes. Focus. Think about yourself. Think about your life. Think about that place when you say they miss her. It's not too late to pick it up. It's not too late to start all over again. It's not too late. Think many people they pick up their career why they discover why they early. So see they discover why they still they don't pass 30s, you know. They say they discover they will see make sure they will see achieve, they will see that thing will be say God giving, they will see discover even if na old age, no problem. So even the 30s, you are still young. Go school. Think about things. Think about ideas. Rich men and ideas now that they go for. Not be your money. Ideas. Better idea. Not be your one. Better one. Then they go for. When the Mike, when he get this Facebook, that is only they had me to pronounce. I'm sorry. When they think about the idea to make everybody they connect, so everybody does. It was not just thinking about him alone. He was thinking about everybody. Some people would even say they look at common, but today is a multi-millionaire. Yeah, those are now idea bring and come there. Ideas. How old is he? It's not up to 40 years. You think about something. Think. If you do something, we say. Think about the thing first. Think about people. There is one thing that I listen to. If they think about the money, they think about how that thing won't make difference for the whole, not just for you, for others. Money will follow. money go follow. I listen to it. He talk about so many things, even Bill Gates. Bill Gates thought about things, but later money follow. Better ideas. Start, you know, so when they talk say the country when I did, now lie. Country when you did, you feel doing. Other country they we say that they pick up that they more there's the day here. Blacks, African blacks, not in Nigeria. They do more they do have VAT for clothes. All these clothes when for they see all those blacks. Na dream, na determination. The feel say they will feel doing. You will feel still doing. All these things when you be say that they do. They look for new faces. Yeah, new faces. They also see your own. Now you sabi do that thing well. They'll say how you to run. From there you're going to negotiate deals of billions, millions. You know. Small, start from somewhere, please. Start from somewhere. And for the men, maybe say girls, the women will be say they will be get dreams, so they get what maybe say it will make them. That's the dream, the thing they have when they be say they get passion for. Because the jealousy husband will say they with a boyfriend. He killed so many of their dream. He kill them. He kill them. Of which is not supposed to be so. For me, I'm telling you, I don't need anybody that will kill my dream. If I want to go for something, I want somebody that will encourage me to go for it. If the jealousy, you know, all those useless mentalities when we say when they talk say woman, you all go they me go the day with so men in the midst of men now they carry a region, you know, they watch all these stars. When all these magicians, they shoot even the actors, American actors, even the Nigerian one they talk. If they marry jealousy husband, when we say they for reach there, why you know your thing? All these American actors, actress, if they deal with jealousy person, they'll feel it there. Wrong when you go there when we say you need to play with man. And you need to be professional about it. You have to be professional. You don't me say the person they fuck you. You don't me say the person they sleep with you. Our mentality, African mentality, I'm sick and tired of African mentality. I'm sick and tired of it. Once you shoot film with person or you play music with person, you can't they do. Now what they do, you know how much you want that thing won't pay them. The next thing they'll say don't sleep with them. You don't blow. Like seriously? Sometimes could you believe even this girl all the Beyonce, Rihanna, all those they get spies, they get boyfriends when they get husband. Their husband will date there with her. He go date there. In some cases, if that one not get like so now when we say they still get their career, now you know when you say me make you go. Because he believe in you, he know, be with, I beg my people, make one of the person will say, he will get that confidence, that trust in you. Fuck waiting any other person won't talk. Fuck them. Now the person when they encourage you, when they support you, now it matters. Their opinion don't matter, and the money when you want collect at the end of the thing, at the end of the deal, at the end of the show, at the end of the film, when you want shoot. All those things now professional, they work on her. So roles, all these actors, and they watch American films. Nigeria will still, I don't know when they will grow anyway. I don't know when they will come to that level. With the mentality when Africa get, I don't believe that they'll reach that level. This life when we do so. This is what I know. No, not play the those. So say they not play the role because no. You need now the person when read the point. That's why they always emphasize on your spies. The person when you want to deal with. If the person need to know you need to know the level of your career wetin you dey do na you go make am, and you need to support am. If you no support am, fuck him or her. You no need to do your life. Because if you don't trust the person enough to know, say, na a career, na a profession, na the work wey they do, na they do, you don't need to do in life. I don't care about anything that you want to say. Because I've seen so many people, I've seen so many stars. Maybe they don't do things. Take for example, Beyonce, when we Beyonce. If the Jay-Z no dey supporting, you know how many guys Beyonce don't shoot music with, dance with, the rocker, using bombote, rocking. Nah, working they do so. You know me say you just fuck and there. Africa, one will grow. You see, even rich, go check Beyonce network, check Jay-Z, you go run. Beyonce rich person. But the man not care. The man say they doing you. They are together to tomorrow. That is what I'm talking about. They are still together to no matter all the negative talk, when we say many people talk. When we say many, here and there. They know themselves, they know what they want, they know what they want, and they go for it. Fuck you, they don't give a fuck about what you want to say. Yes, they don't give a fuck. You dey your own room, you not even reach their level, you the one they talk. What did that one want to do today? What do you want to do? Instead, they bring them up more. Because if you know what they do, you know what you want, and you go for it. Nothing when anybody won't talk, when you won't bring you down. Nothing. Trust me, nothing. So my people, I beg. They look inspiring things. They motivate you. Even if you not get anybody to motivate you, motivate yourself. Wake your spirit up. I watched one video of Destiny. That girl with Geshe, Nigerian actress. She was saying that she did talk for that video when she do. I thought I saved it. I don't know. I don't know where the video did. She say she never married. She said if you be man, you won't come alive. You don't want support her dream. You not like what she did do. He said make you not come. Yes. No, yours go. Because most of our African people, African men, they will go alive finish. She made that public announcement. No come. He said now what she like be that. Now what she love to do. Now her dream. Now what they pray for all these years to the girl rule. They give her scripts. Maybe they give her thing to art. Scripts. Then you will come, you will say you don't like her. I better not go. Same goes to me. That's why they look some people though. They talk say, hey, you know that man, you stay with them. Because they support me if anything when me say I won't do. So you when if you say you be, I don't need you. Stay your lane. You stay your lane. Fuck off. Fuck off. And that man you fit you when they let you they do this. Yes. Cause as your head done, as you don't get vision, you don't get dream, you don't get what they pursue. No me so that person be. So some people they lose some men will be saying that they support their woman to do waiting, that they support their career, or they cause the men. Then they use less man, see they leave and so that they fucking wife. Leave him. The man when he marry and no say they know they fuck him. Now you when they use that they look and now you go they live for other person matter. That girl talk and say if you don't like what they do, because now this thing like now you get passion for now you love now career, you not like and you won't come in life later, you go say make she stop her. I beg, he say make you not come. He say make you all stay your house, not come. Because that relationship you know go work. Because now what she like, you know if you can't keep her dream, you know if you can't keep her career. Many women will say they get career, they allow some useless men to spoil to kill their dream. So many men get career, they get dreams, they get vision. They allow some useless women spoil their dream. Someday we no go take her. Like me, I no go take her. Sorry, bro. I will not take it. Yes, I no go take her. If you no get where you dey go, me I get where I dey go. If you no get dream, me I get dream. If you no get vision, me I get vision. I get waiting at the focus. I get my focus. I get waiting at the thing we say I want to achieve. So can't use mago enter some people's life. Just dream killer. I call them dream killer, destiny killer. You are not welcome. I will fling you out. You are not welcome to my life. You are not welcome. Sorry though, you are not welcome. You are not. So that's it. In some women don't alarm me. Fuck you. Some men don't say alarm. I say you don't get dream. Now you the women don't say they get dream, say they get what they do. All those things that you need to deal with, you need to deal in the midst of men. Fine, now you work, now you profession. If you are if you know say your woman they professional about that thing, you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. If you did work, and if you too get waiting, you even get dream, you get your the thing will be say they like. Why you upon the smell woman? Yeah, she will still get you will still get waiting they pursue. Why you feel say all those women, all those men we say they get vision, they get career, they like to go for men when we say they into their lane too. It do into their the things we be say they do, because they don't want negative vibes. They don't want person when be say you go conquer their life now, you go spoil them. They don't need them. Actor, American actor now, so they marry model because they are celebrity too. That one now, be actor. If you see say woman they come around him man, you go use the lie. She go dey even get you go use the. You know what take as anything. But if you marry a woman when be say, you no boo, you no know nothing, you no get vision, you go the verse. You no mind, you go cause your fans. People when he made you. Because now those people now made you. You go cause them. You go make them come with you and you will lose things. That's why you see some men when we say they get career, they get vision, they marry all those models. They still say they're in the midst of guys. They know the verse. They know the verse. Why? Because they know the line of work, the line of the work when they do. Nine. So no the verse say all those people that they go for people like them, because now people will understand the kind of job we say that they do, the kind of profession we say they get. Now that they go for. Now that they go for, they know if you can't go for you when be say you not get dream, you not get nothing out of the jealous, they have the verse, you go there board meeting, you go there better place when you say if they negotiate business, if they won't see deal, you go they call am 25 times. You don't need them. You don't need them. That's what the men, the women too. They don't need man when be say they go there where the way they talk about business. They talk about how they want to see the next project when we say she won't do. The man when they call. He don't need you. And they pray to read that I don't need you. If I read that and I'll say I beg, the next I'll tell you say I beg, this relationship is over. Love. You say you love person, they jealous, you love her. Why you not love what thing they do? Why you not love that thing when we say your spice like? If you love her, you will love you. If you love her, you will love that thing that she like doing. So goes with the women. If you love your man, you will like that thing when we say he like to do. That thing when we say now they bring money, now you make him the person when he be, now make people know him. You will support her and you will like him. You don't want anything when you go bring them down. Now let those people be say they don't need your progress, they don't need anything. That's why they know they go for now. Because I don't get vision, I don't get dream. You don't get. I beg my people, this advice, stay calm. If many of us, we don't they reluctant in so many areas when we say something like when we say what they do. We don't deviate from her. I beg, pick him up again. I just got beg you, pick him up. Pick him up and see. The sky will be your limit. And make sure you be around people that will push you, that will give you that encouragement. And if they don't encourage you, encourage yourself. Encourage yourself. For say if they don't encourage, there's one musician of Nigeria who is singing. If not anybody will encourage you, encourage yourself. Sometimes you need to even encourage yourself. Then good pass. Encourage yourself and stay away from those negative vibes. Stay away from them, and you see as God will bless you. Sometimes no, they don't need to be your life. Sometimes there are people that need to live your life. For that thing when we say God wants me, you be, may you for spring up. So not be everybody will need to date there. Okay? Please go to school. Anything that you want to do, take off your career, anything that you want to do, please, they start to do one. Because now this life now we get. This life on we day, so when we all day, we just they do. We don't need to just day, nothing. It's not fair now. It's not fair. Do something. Make a change. Not be just to born. If you born, so we'll say if you born, now your name no will go. And now when you born for this life. Therefore, thought say even Davido when we say they know him papa. If for sit down they look, since they don't know him papa, through him papa they will know. No, he take off his career. In short, if not be Davido, now me for not know him papa. Even if you born or you not born, you still need to do something for yourself. Because not be your papa one they won't cut the look, not be your picking or they want to. You do something that will make the world know you. Make a change, make a difference. If they talk about Michael Jackson today when we say he don't die, you see they talk about picking. You don't hear them. You don't hear them. Now only when we say it, then when we say it, they call it picking. You see they talk and say na picking. If they talk in name, they talk in picking. They call him picking name the journal. No, because everybody get their own life to live. All these rich men, why did they invest on their children? Why did they make so that make himself fight for his life, make himself still make difference? Cannot be in name, not being he go need to be, he go be a name fine, but he still get weight in your thing when we say he go need to bring to the world. That's it. I listened to Igbine Dion interview one day. He said, the only thing when we say in get for your children are education, good education. And from there they will make living for themselves, not being wet, they will come put eye. Yes. You need to do something for yourself too. Davido not put wet, you not put eye for your papa wet with some lazy ass niggas. Because their papa gets more money than you're there reluctant. You need to fight for your life too, because if your papa not fight for your life, if you're not there, if Davido say he won't sit down, he won't your there, anything when papa give her, anything when papa eat remain, you can't give her. Nobody for Noah. If they go America now, they go Dubai, they go here, they go they sing. Nobody for Noah. No, nobody. Only way they will tell if they call papa name, they will say he get one pick when they call the video, but you know go Noah like this. Nobody go Noah like this. But you know, look that one. Those are the people when you say they get brain, they get sense, because they know same ones. If like you come from a wealthy family, you still need to do something for yourself. Your name, that your name too. If you know that this word again, your name still need to go. Not be your partner who need to go. Now your name. Not be your mama name. Now your name. Do something. Do something. Make a difference. Make a difference. Do something. We all of us as God to create us, no one they empty. No one they empty. We get something inside us. So why not discover it now? Why not use this opportunity when they lockdown? Discover, do something more, not just day. You know, thank you. And I will be coming more on. I'll be there was more that I'll be saying about this motivational thing I'm saying. So I'll be coming on Sunday too to drop everything is there, many things there. Please subscribe to my channel. If you come across this video, subscribe. Help a sister, please subscribe. Okay, if you like this video, please don't fail to put thumbs up, leave your opinion. Just if you like it, if you in any area that you want me to talk about, just leave it on a comment section and I will read it. I will get back to you. Thank you to all my subscribers. God love you. God bless you all. You guys are wonderful. You guys are wonderful. Love you. If you come across it, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you to all my subscribers so far. I love you. God bless you. Bye. Stay safe.